Hi guys, so today we're playing Tornado Alley. So Tornado Alley I have never played before. It looks really cool, so I guess we're gonna play it. So we're voting for this place here. I am really tired, so I'm just gonna sit down here. It's 7 o'clock. 7 a.m. in the morning. Can't believe I woke up at this time, but whatever. The tornado's on fire! Oh my god. Only one person survived. What? Oh my god, they are so lucky. I wouldn't even survive that. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, look at my foot when that happened. See, Tornado Alley unlimited. I think it's gonna be an electric tornado soon enough. There's gonna be an electric tornado. Like, it's gonna be like an electric tornado because like, it sounds like there's gonna be a new update about electric tornado because like, you know when you always think of like a new tornado, like a water one or a electric one, I usually think that because like, you know, yeah. But yeah, you know what I mean, because like you really want a tornado to be fire or something, because it's really interesting learning about new tornadoes, and cool as well because you get to survive them, I think. You might not survive, which is really bad, but probably don't mind. Whatever. Soon enough, you could record it maybe, and you could put it on YouTube, and it would be cool. Ah! Gotta get up. What's that up there? Oh my gosh. What is that? It might be the tornado. It's right on top of us. Wow. Oh wow, bye! Oh my goodness! Now I know where it's gonna fall. XD. Alright, so what tornado is it gonna be? What tornado is it gonna be? What tornado? Hopefully it's an EF5. I love EF5s. Oh my god! Oh my god! Get down now. Oh what? An EF2! Oh my god! It's huge! Come on this way. Oh my god! It's huge! Oh my goodness! Ah! Come on this way. Whenever a tornado goes that way, you go this way. Oh my god, if I was standing there though. Oh my god, I'm literally just running. I'll just run this way because it's coming! No! Oh my god! No. Go. Go this way. Go. Oh my god, best way to survive a tornado, XD. Hashtag relatable. Oh my goodness. Go! No! Oh my god, I actually survived that. What? Oh, this guy's surviving too. Cool. We got survivors over here. Survivors. Oh my god, you should have seen me. That was epic. Come this way. Get to the corner of the room. Go. What? Yes! We survived! We survived that tornado. The tornado. Alright. Oof. Oofy, oof. This is like Shark Bite. Well, it's not like Shark Bite, but like the theme is like Shark Bite for some reason. Turn the long feet. Hey! Blue. Red. Pink. Yeah, keep it white. Double Trouble! Oh, I love Double Trouble. Wait. I don't love Double Trouble. I love Quadruple Triple. Think? Yeah, I think I love that one more than Double Trouble. But, whatever. Quadruple the Triple. Oh! I'm stealing your money! I want your money. Where's the money? Oh my god, it's completely empty. That sucks. you should let people in your house and just, you know, just like, I got your credit card. Oh, parkour! No, I want to go in this. Ooh! First try. Not really. Haha. Haha. I'm in here and you're not. Haha. This is like an army camp or something. Whatever this is. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. This is epic. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I wanted to be an EF tournament for that, and then when they combined it makes an EF5, which, yeah, I studied that for some reason. I made it up. Ah! This tornado gonna form. Who knows? It's so close. EF5 and an EF0? Not me! Oh, I died. Why? I keep dying. There are 2 tornadoes. Go. Ah! You keep coming for me! What? You keep coming for me. It keeps. Where is it? Oh my gosh, what if they combined? Hashtag EF5. But bigger. Did you see that? Oh my god. Go. You don't know where they're coming from. The EF5 is just destroying everything. Oh! No, it got me again! Stop! Yee! Go. I love saying yee when I go, just go! Who even gives a darn? Where's the ear? Oh my god. Everybody's just running. Oh, left. Run! Go! I've died 3 times today. 1 person! Oh! Oh my god! He is so lucky! I didn't even survive that round. Top 5 survivors. 1, 2, 3. Perfect! Are we going for this one? I think we're going for this one. Alright, yep, we'll. And then it's double trouble again! I wanted to quadruple triple. It's 4 tornadoes, which is epic! Alrighty, Odin. Storm arrives and let's just party around. I will steal from the bakery. Oh my god, it's literally empty. Who would want to go here? You have no food supplies and you just starve to death. But you won't hydrate to death because you got this. You got this beautiful lake. Well, I bet it's salty, but you could just, you know, make it unsalty. Yeah. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom shakalaka! A storm is forming. Ooh. It's forming, guys. Get up out of here! Oh my god! Imagine if it just spawns like right. Yeah, that would be epic. It's probably just gonna come for this first, and we just go no. Go that way now. Everybody's rushing to here. No one else is on the village. Everybody is coming to here, except this guy. Except that guy. A tornado is forming. Oh my god. Oh my god. And you have 3, and then you have 4. Oh my god. Na 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 na. Basically, I'm realizing this. No, 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 don't mind me. No, 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 thank you. Go, 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 go. Ah! I'm getting smeared. Oh my goodness, I was over there though. You're just coming up mine. These tornadoes are totally everywhere. Good. Go, go, go. I'm just walking on the side of the map. You know what, you dare me. We're doing it. Do not come here. Yes! Wait! We did it. 27 again. 27 likes. Ooh, so we're going for Roblox skate park. Roblox skate park.
Double trouble again. How many double troubles do you want?
Sorry. Roblox skate park. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's go camping. We're going camping, guys. We're going camping. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Come on. We need to go over here so we can survive. Because this is the best place to go when there's not a tornado around. So you gotta be over here to survive. You gotta be over there. Over there. The storm arrives in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Dude, I cannot. No. How am I supposed to get out? Well, that never worked. I'm gonna be stuck in here. Let me out. Go this way. Go now. We got 2 tornadoes destroying the place. That looks like a tornado. Not there. An EF4 and EF3. Again. Perfect. Do you know how two tornadoes are formed? Look down in the thingy. Whatever it's called. Link box, comments, whatever. I don't know. Who cares? There are 2 tornadoes, an EF4 and an EF3. I need a drink. Alright. There are 2 tornadoes in the F4 here. I'm just surviving here. They're not even coming close. Oh my god. They're going that way, then this way. Oh my goodness, they are idiots. Probably I'm using the only survivor just in the corner. Oh my goodness, no I'm not. What? That's a lot of people. It's about 2 halves put together. Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious me. Sharknado! Da-na-na! Sharknado! Da-na-na! I love Sharknado so much. I absolutely do love Sharknado. It's amazing. Sharknado, da-na-na, Sharknado. It's a Sharknado. Needo. But what is that thing? Oh my god. The Star Horizon. Who gives a darn? Boop boop boo doo 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 dee doo dee doo doo. Yes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! It's coming! Get to the corner! Ah! Oh my god. You know what? I'm just gonna be moving around when the tornado comes because I don't even give downward spawns. No one else knows my tactic. Except me, because I'm just gonna stay in the corner. Not really, not today though. Because like, it's just boring if you stay in the corner. So. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh! Cool.
The tornado's coming! The tornado's coming! The tornado.
No!
It's coming! It's coming!
For me? Oh. They're the sharks. I like making that noise. Oh, no! Dude! Epic fail to you. Come on! Oh! I just got thrown onto this piece of board. No! The stupid Sharknado. You're stupid. Dude! No, I'm following him. What you doing? No, 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 no! Ah! I just got yeeted. Dude, how do tornadoes do that? I wish I was a tornado. Dude, that was epic! No, 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 me, no, me, no, no, no! It knows where I go. How am I supposed to survive that? Boom, go for 5 seconds. So many people survived and I did it. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Why? So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you expect for me to do today. So yeah, bye guys. I love you guys.